The best way to predict the future is to create it. Peter Drucker. What if I told you that your future isn't something you wait for? It's not written in the stars. It's not determined by luck. And it's not something you stumble upon by chance. The truth is, the best way to predict the future is to create it. Peter Drucker's words carry a simple yet powerful message. If you want a better life, if you want to achieve your dreams, if you want to make an impact, then don't wait. Take control. Your future is not something you find. It's something you build. Let me ask you, what kind of future do you see for yourself? Think about it. Every choice you make today, every step you take, no matter how small, is shaping the life you'll live tomorrow. But let's be honest, the journey isn't easy. There will be challenges. There will be setbacks. And yes, there will be days when you feel like giving up. But here's the secret. Every failure is a lesson. Every obstacle is an opportunity. And every moment you keep going is a moment you're creating your future. You don't need to wait for permission. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment. The only thing standing between you and the life you want is action. So start now. Want to build a career? Take the first step. Want to learn a new skill? Begin today. Want to change your life? Make the decision right now. Remember this. The future doesn't belong to those who wait. It belongs to those who create. Close your eyes for a moment. Picture the life you've always dreamed of. Success, happiness, fulfillment. Now open your eyes and realize that future isn't a fantasy, it's a possibility, and it's within your reach. But only if you decide to take action. So don't wait, don't doubt yourself, start small, stay consistent, and trust in the process. Because every step you take is a step toward the future you want to create. As Peter Drucker said, the best way to predict the future is to create it. Your time is now. Take charge and start building your future today.